Hey there, storytellers! Have you ever dreamed of creating stunning 3D animated videos for kids but felt it's too complicated or expensive? Well, not anymore. In today's video, I show you how to create a beautiful animated kid story for free using AI tools. From brainstorming ideas to generating images, animating them, and even adding a voiceover, all using some super cool free AI tools. And the best part, you don't need any professional skills to get started. So let's dive right in. Go to chatgpt.com and log in. Now enter the prompt, give me 5 creative story ideas for 3D animated kids video and send it. ChatGPT will generate several story ideas. You can choose one from these stories or ask it to write a story of your choice. For example, let's ask it to write a simple, short and creative story about a boy and his dog. And here's the story. Now let's break this story into scenes using ChatGPT. Using a prompt like, break this story into 5 to 7 scenes, each describing what should visually happen in that part of the story. As you can see, ChatGPT generates scenes like an artboard based on the story. Since we need to generate images for each scene, which requires entering prompts into image generation tools, let's ask ChatGPT to write a detailed prompt for each scene. Initially, ChatGPT may start generating images, but we only need the prompts. Stop the image generation and edit the prompt. Modify the prompt to write a detailed prompt so that I can generate an image for each scene using image generation AI tools. Send this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT starts generating prompts for each scene one by one. Here are the prompts for all the 7 scenes. These prompts may not be detailed enough for image generation. So let's ask ChatGPT to add more details to the prompts by using this prompt. Add more details to the prompt for better image generation. Now we have detailed prompts for each scene. Let's now generate images using these prompts. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai and click on Get Started. Log in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard of Leonardo AI. To generate images, click on Image Generation. On the right-hand side corner, turn on Legacy Mode. From the right-hand sidebar, you can explore various options. Choose the number of images you want to generate for each prompt. Select the resolution of your image. Use the advanced options to set the image size ratio. For YouTube videos, use a 16:9 ratio. Once you have configured these options, select the model of the generator. Click here and choose 3D animation style, since we want to generate 3D images. Now, let's start generating images. Enter the prompt for scene 1 into the prompt bar. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for scene 1, return to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt bar, and click Generate. Here are 4 different images generated for the given prompt. Check each image and choose the one that best fits your story. Click on the Download button to save the image to your PC. Next, generate the image for scene 2. Go to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI's prompt bar. Click Generate, review the images, and download the one you like. Repeat this process for scene 3 and all subsequent scenes. For each prompt, generate images, review the outputs, and download the most suitable ones. If needed, you can generate additional variations for a scene. Once you have generated all the images, it's time to animate them. For this, go to klingai.com and click on AI videos. Select the image to video option, drag and drop the first image into the image box. To help the AI better understand the image, you can paste the corresponding prompt into the prompt bar, and this is optional. Next, we'll use the motion brush tool. Click Draw Motions to begin. Using the motion brush, paint up to 6 different areas to animate. For each area, you can define a motion track. This tool lets you paint areas for motion, erase parts, and adjust brush size. If you want to reset any area, use the Reset button. Here is how to define areas. Paint Area 1, example the dog. Then click Track 1 to set its direction of motion. Now paint Area 2, example the boy. Then click Track 2 to set its direction of motion. And now paint Area 3, for example the star. And then the Area 4, for example the ground, and so on. For more detailed animation, differentiate smaller parts. For example, since the boy is painted as Area 2, you can erase his arm and head to animate them separately. Paint the arm as area 5, assign its motion track, and do the same for his head. If you want any area to remain static, paint it black. Once all the areas are painted and motion tracks are assigned, click confirm. The animation process will start. Wait for it to complete, and once ready, your animated video clip will appear. If you are happy with it, download the clip. Now let's create the video clip for the second image. Drag and drop the second image into the image box. Copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt bar. Click Draw Motions and paint areas for animation, like the star falling, fireflies flying, the dog, and its eyes. Once the painting is complete, click Confirm and then Generate to start the animation process. Here is your second animated clip. Download it. Finally, repeat this process for all the images you have generated. Once done, you'll have animated clips for your entire story. Let's now create a voiceover for our video. For this, we'll use the ElevenLabs voice generator tool. Go to elevenlabs.io, click Get Started for free, and sign in. Next, we need to paste our story into the tool. Open ChatGPT, select this story, copy it, and paste it into the ElevenLabs. From the left-hand sidebar, you can choose the style and tone of the voice. Click Choose Voice to browse the available options. You can search for specific voices based on the type or language. Select the voice you like and click Add to My Voices. To generate the voiceover, click Generate Speech, and the tool will begin creating the voiceover. Once the voiceover is generated, you can download it directly from here. Alright, let's now compile all the images along with the voiceover and background music. For this, we'll use ClickJam. Go to app.clipjam.com and sign in. From the dashboard, click on Create a New Video. This is how the interface looks. Here's the menu with options like text, templates, transition, and more. This is the timeline where you'll edit the video. On the left-hand side, there are additional tools for editing. Let's first import the video clips and voiceover we created. Click on Import Media and select all the video clips and click Open. Now let's import the voiceover. Once imported, drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline. Let's now add the video clips in order according to the voiceover. Start with the first clip by dragging and dropping it onto the timeline. Add all the remaining clips one by one in sequence. Once all the clips are on the timeline, let's adjust their lengths to sync with the voiceover. Start by checking the default timeline to see how it looks. Adjust each clip to match the voiceover by moving or trimming them as needed. Once the adjustments are complete, preview the story to ensure everything aligns. It looks great so far, but something is missing: background music. Import the background music of your choice. Drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now let's check the preview. The background music seems too loud. Let's adjust the volume. First, trim the music to match the video's length. Right-click on the music track and select More options. Reduce the volume to 4% or adjust it to your preference. Preview the video again.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Leo and his dog, Scout.
And it looks fantastic. If you would like, you can also add transitions, but I prefer to keep it simple for now. Alright, let's now download the video. Click on Export. Click Continue Anyway if prompted. Select 1080p high quality and the rendering process will start. Once rendering is complete, the video will be downloaded to your PC. Let's play it and see how it looks.
And his dog, Scout, who loved chasing fireflies in the meadow.
And that's it. You've just learned how to turn your story ideas into professional looking 3D animated videos, all with the help of free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing AI and creativity hacks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.